With two consecutive the news incidents that rocked the markets, it's been quite the journey. President Trump issued an executive order last night, creating a digital asset stockpile and a strategic Bitcoin reserve. It's big news, isn't it? The markets, however, didn't believe that and fell sharply. Then came today's roundtable and crypto summit, which, let's face it, didn't reveal any shocking revelations. Since there is still some context that needs to be explored, I will go into greater detail about that in a future video. Let's assume for the moment that the market suffered another setback, but not as severe as the sell-off from yesterday. Some stragglers were still trying to cash out, but the majority of the damage seemed to have been done. Let's discuss XRP. We learned of the strategic reserve less than 24 hours ago. After peaking at $2.61, it fell to $2.39, recovered somewhat, and then spent the majority of the day moving sideways. It began plunging along with Bitcoin during the crypto conference and is currently trading at $2.37. Check out this Bitcoin chart. The same tail. You'll notice that XRP and Bitcoin are nearly the same. XRP is simply following the trend of Bitcoin. Nothing eerie. Don't freak out. For XRP holders, however, this is the real deal. This ride isn't finished, so get ready to make a lot of money. History indicates that XRP may soar to new heights. Ignore the previous cycle. It was distorted by government intervention. Now that there is no suppression, it makes logical for XRP to move in lockstep with Bitcoin. It will be explosive when it blows off. For a long time, it seemed difficult for XRP to gain traction. Uncertainties began to creep in. When will the blow-off occur? However, it is presently taking place. The market is playing with your emotions and trying your patience. History frequently predicts future events. Even if we are unable to know for sure, chart analysis is all about chances. Consider the observation made by chart analyst Jelly that Bitcoin's persistent quest for recovery seems like a ball being held underwater. Liftoff is unavoidable. Despite today's major news, his comments exactly reflect the sentiment, and the coming weeks might be amazing. Ideally, as soon as possible. The cryptocurrency world is a hive of activity on social media. You name it, crypto conferences, XRP hordes, Bitcoin strategic reserves, etc. The eagerly awaited news has already been revealed. It's hardly shocking, though, let's face it. These are timeless and effectively promote news events. The playbook is here. The market learns about impending events. People accept it. As prices rise, speculation increases. However, the market declines, profits are taken, and the euphoria fades when the news eventually comes. It's just the way things are. We didn't witness market weakness last night or today. It was the act of human nature, transient response, not a huge concern. With just the words, Bitcoin ongoing consolidation chart expert Stock Money Lizard offered his 155,000 followers an intriguing perspective. For him, this is simply the norm in the cryptocurrency industry. Let's be honest, though, some individuals are tense about it. Why? Due to the fact that Bitcoin's current range fluctuates beyond $20,000. It's crazy to remember when I initially became interested in cryptocurrency. It seems like the Stone Age so long ago before the internet, anyone. Additionally, Bitcoin was less than a third of this range in price back then. It's astounding to see how far we've come. But people, this is just a spectrum, regardless of feelings. Crypto does what it does. It is true that Bitcoin is erratic, but this is nothing new. There's no reason to let fear rule your actions because history demonstrates this. Had a recent post that was perfect. Liquidity cycles are at the bottom with Bitcoin at the top. What was his message? Give up pursuing the newest trend or storyline of the month. That is all part of the cycle. it is indifferent. With all the recent excitement surrounding concepts like national digital reserves, Bitcoin stockpiling, and crypto summits, it's a pertinent reminder. None of these stories actually make a difference in the end. The overall picture, pay attention to the asset class's long-term growth rather than the gimmicks. We have a government that supports cryptocurrency for the first time in history, and that will undoubtedly have some significant, dare I say, transformative effects. Who cares if it doesn't immediately alter the dynamics of supply and demand? The fun is only getting started. Let's discuss liquidity. In the past, if liquidity bottoms out, as it is right now, Bitcoin soars higher as money moves into stocks, cryptocurrencies, and most importantly, Bitcoin. What follows? The crazy cryptocurrency seasons and exuberant blow-off tops that we have witnessed in previous cycles. And prepare for the fireworks unless you're certain that this time is different. Mustache, a chart analyst, appears to concur. Even if you're not into Ethereum, you should look at the ETHB TC chart, which he has been following. Why? Because alt seasons are frequently launched by Ethereum. According to his analysis, there are similarities between the altcoin patterns of 2015 and 2018, those that are anticipated to emerge between 2018 and 2025. Although the current cryptocurrency cycle is larger than the previous one, the structure is quite similar from the standpoint of a technical analysis. If past events are any indication, we are about to enter a period that is reminiscent to 2017, and it is expected to be enormous. Ethereum may begin the eagerly awaited alt season at this time, and if history is any indication, XRP may even surpass Ethereum. Ali Martinez, a chart analyst, points out a significant pattern has been increasing gradually for the past 3 weeks. Keep in mind that whales almost never make mistakes. They have a long-term approach. There will be significant changes when the signs line up, and this might be the quiet before the storm. Ali Martinez, a chart analyst, is back with another update as XRP heats up. XRP may be preparing for a breakout, which might result in a 23% price rise since it is currently consolidating within a symmetrical triangle. Although Martinez did not indicate a specific direction, there is a good likelihood that XRP will follow the market's rising trend. Compared to the roughly 7-year symmetrical triangle we've seen through 2024, this arrangement is on a far shorter timescale. When XRP eventually emerged in a bull market at that time, it surged more than 500%. Time is more important than price, according to another charting expert. He is following his plan. He will profit handsomely on the next upswing, which is probably going to happen in late April or early May, irrespective of whether XRP reaches $4 or $8. His justification: it is time to profit when charts indicate that the market is overheated. Having a plan is essential regardless of the price, whether XRP is trading at $4 or rising higher. It's obvious. It's important to keep an eye out for those that cash out and take large profits. In addition to the hype peddlers, I observe analysts